somebody just asked me to break down poses, here's what I do. I'm assuming you already know how to break down body parts into shapes, and I'm assuming you already have a good idea of how to master your proportions. So for me, I always resort to the contrapposto. So I figure out where my head is at, and then I angle my shoulders in one direction, and then I angle the hips in the opposite direction. Then at the highest point of the hips, I figure out where the weight of the body is going to be leaning on, which leg the body is going to be leaning on, and I try and figure out the rest with the torso. So now that I have the head and the torso, and I know where the body is leaning, the rest of the pose kind of falls into place. Then I can use my understanding of shapes, then I can use my understanding of proportions and figure out the angle which I want to have for the rest of the body. And then I can do a bunch of rough sketches and figure out exactly how I want to tweak things here and there. And then I do the line work, then I do the colors, then I do the shading. Bada bing, bada boom. I feel like it's pretty easy from that point on, but a lot of this is predicated on your understanding of the anatomy and how you can break down shapes into tubes and circles and triangles, etc. If you want to know more about that, you can ask me. I'll answer to the best of my ability, but I hope this answers the question.